episode of Stitch on Saturday. This week I'm going to be showing you how to do the purl stitch. Again, I'm using the same materials as last week. I'm using a Clover Takumi 5.5mm crochet, Tunisian crochet hook, size I, and I'm using a worsted weight size 4 yarn. This is the Big Twist yarn, I think, in Dandelion. So now I'm going to teach you how to do the purl stitch. So basically this one's a little bit tricky, but you will get the hang of it once you do it enough. So you want to keep your yarn in the front, and then you pick up a loop and you have the strand right there. You want to hold it down and then pull up a loop, and there you go, you have that knot, which is a purl stitch. So then again, you're going through there. I'm gonna pick up the loop. There you have it. Again, make sure your yarn is in the front. Go through that loop and pick up a loop like that. And then there you have it. And then go through, pick up a loop, and then go through, pick up a loop, and there you have it. Pick up a loop, there you have it, pick up the loop, there we go. And then again you want to go through the last 2 loops because you want a neater edge. So again, last thing. And same as any other stitch, you're going to do a normal return pass. It's always a normal return pass with these stitches. So far, stitches I've been using. There you go, there you go, and there you go, there you go. And that is what, this is what the purl stitch looks like. Not just the return pass there, but this is what it will look like. It's honestly exactly like the purl stitch in knitting. So it's really interesting that you can do this with crochet as if you were knitting. So it looks, it's like an illusion. It looks like you've been knitting, but it's actually a crochet piece. So there you have it, the Tunisian purl stitch. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed learning the stitch. And yep, I hope you join me for next week, where I will show you another stitch or technique. Alright, take care.